In this video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail to Instagram Reels. Simply open Instagram, profile. So you just select any Reels, press on to line, scroll down, showing it to edit option. But if you don't get edit option, like when I'm go Reels section and select any Reels, showing it to two line, I'm not get edit option. So you must be go post and select Reels, and then you get to line and you get edit option. Press on cover if you want to set from this video or add from camera roll to set any thumbnail. Okay, press on right mark and just right mark, then successfully set up.